हाँ यहाँ पे स्टेज पर बुलाएंगे. Normally we play out the song first and then we call them in. लेकिन इन्होंने बोला कि इनको भी देखना है साथ में, तो हम सब अभी साइड पे हो जाते हैं. And the great performance outside will now be seen on the larger screen. So I'm going to bring this down and then we're going to play Ding Dang right now. So those who are in the stadium अभी जो हैं, पसंद आया कि नहीं पसंद आया? टाइगर पहले आपसे. यार एक तो आपको देखकर ऐसे मेरे बहुत सैड फीलिंग आती है, बैड फीलिंग आती है. हर एक मर्द के लिए आपने उसके सपने डांस वाले सब खराब कर दिए हैं. हाउ डू यू मैनेज टू डू इट एवरी सिंगल टाइम? ये व्हाट इज इट, आइसोलेशन, ये आइसोलेट करके, ये आइसोलेट करके, ये आइसोलेट करके. तो ये बताओ ये कितने करोड़ सालों का परिश्रम है यार ये?
आई थिंक नहीं, सच बात ये है कि 5-6 साल से डांस कर रहा हूँ मैं. पर आई थिंक प्रैक्टिस की बात ये है. सो द मोर यू डू समथिंग, द मोर योर बॉडी गेट्स अडेप्टेड टू इट. और अभी it's become second nature. So yeah, it's all thanks to the choreographers and my director for having the vision. And
बचपन में I used to go to the same gym जहाँ ये नौजवान युवक आता था और he used to keep jumping back and forth and बोलता था इतना ज़्यादा कूदता है, and it's actually working out big today, bro. I have to say big round of applause for his performance.
Thank you.
Every time 100% दिखता है, लेकिन आप भी कुछ कम नहीं निधि. आपकी पहली पिक्चर इसके साथ में, and it's unbelievable, matching steps with this boy.
Oh,
because
too tough.
Yeah, it is very tough. So let's talk about the before you do the shot. The director is there, all the dancers are there, everyone's perfected it. You have to come there. आप नए बैट्समैन पिच पर आए हैं. आपको फर्स्ट बॉल आने वाली है. क्योंकि यहाँ तो मंजे हुए खिलाड़ी है ना. How did you feel?
You just have to pray. You have to pray to God.
No, a lot more than that. Yeah, you look like you had then prayed very hard because you had it really down to a T.
Prayed very hard, rehearsed also very hard because it's definitely not easy, even remotely matching Tiger.
Well, you matched it perfectly well. Big round of applause for her also.
Thank you.
Tiger, first day when she's dancing, was it easy? Did you have to even show or bring it down a notch? कई बार बोलते हैं ना मैच करने के लिए जरूरी है.
नहीं, I think हमने बहुत साथ में बहुत रिहर्सल किए, तो I think she was ready and she's a very hardworking girl. So congrats on your first song.
Yep, and it could have been better. Sir, ये magic आपका और टाइगर का तो मैजिक है ही, but it's very difficult to actually portray it like this. सब लोग अपने घर पे moon walk कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा ऐसे डांस कर लेते हैं, but to make it look like how you want Munna Michael to look. बहुत डांस, एक तो माइकल शब्द है तो डांस ही बहुत होगा. Are you a good dancer yourself?
Amazing.
Because I'm not, I'm making Tiger dance.
But otherwise, lots of thought process going into. Were you involved also in it, or was just the dance choreographer?
This song was actually my brainchild because I like coming up with a song and playing it for Tiger, and he goes, "Are you sure about this?" Ding Dang was the essence of how Munna would come out.
Yeah.
With Mehu, we had what Michael would be like.
Yeah.
This is paying tribute to the iconic Munnas that I've played. So I'm really happy with the song.
I love the colors in the song as well. Vicky sir, it's a grand song. I like it. It's big and it's, when people want to see Tiger is loved by all ages. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक. So you want to see something really grand when he's out there. Even the action shot in the end is out there. So I have to say that lots of thought going into this to make sure it looks larger than life. You've had a history of a film that has had some great music and some great dance movements. You like experimenting as well. Are you satisfied with the look of this?
I'm more than satisfied. In fact, when Sabir explained to me the way he's looking at the song and the production which we had to give him, and the way the song was actually executed and the way the action is actually executed in the movie, I think everybody who's seen it has really appreciated it. In the songs, the first song of Munna Michael, people are really humming it all over, and I hope this song also, becomes a big Masi song.
No, actually, I saw the reaction. I think it's already working. Just before I throw out opening to the media, everyone is flying in this film of yours, huh? You have Nawaz flying also. You have him flying. Were you wanting to make a superhero film and that's why you made this? ऐसा कुछ था क्या?
We're happy with Munna right now.
All right, we'll open out to the audience.
Just one quick thing. Yeah. I want to thank a small round of applause for the composers, Mohsin and Javed, and the lyrics writer, Danish Sabri. Please. Yeah.
I'm very happy that actually happens. A lot of the times people forget how a song is made. You remember the singer, you forget the composer, you forget the lyricist. And I think that's very, very important. When I do radio also, a lot of the times, you have your song cards that come out that just have the name of the singer. But this is a very important thing, and that's why, Sabir bhai, big round of applause for you also to remembering your entire people that are involved in making sure that you start humming these songs and all these entire tracks. Okay, I'll open out to the media. Any questions? You'll have a mic around there somewhere, whoever wants to ask.
Hi, Tiger, on your right. This is
On our
Zanu.
right, okay.
हाँ जी.
Yeah.
हाय मेरा सवाल है कि जब गाना आपको मिलता है तो कोरियोग्राफर भी होते होंगे, आपका खुद का भी इनपुट होता होगा, तो इस गाने के साथ क्या कहानी थी, अगर आप थोड़ा शेयर करना चाहें?
जी ये गाना मेरा हाथ बिल्कुल भी नहीं है ये गाने में. आई थिंक फॉर मी इट्स अ वेरी बहुत ही डिफरेंट स्टाइल है. तो मैंने अपने आप को पूरा हवाले कर दिया गणेश आचार्य पे. एंड ही हैज़ डन अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब टेकिंग केयर ऑफ ऑल द एक्टर्स एंड हेल्पिंग अस ब्रिंग दीज कलर्स एंड द विजुअल्स ऑन स्क्रीन. और वो जो स्टाइल है जो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत कर पाता हूँ मैं. But he is famous for songs like this, and whatever little I've achieved through this song is all thanks to him. So it's all thanks to Ganesh Acharya.
और आपको इस अवतार में देख के डैड का क्या रिएक्शन था, क्योंकि उनकी भी याद आती है हल्की हल्की?
Thank you so much. वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा compliment है. So thank you for that. I think I don't know. I am very nervous to ask my father what he feels of me because I don't know. हम लोग कभी काम के बारे में बातचीत नहीं करते, but he has definitely praised the trailer, and so far whatever promos he's seen, he's very happy. So touch wood, I'm happy. Thank you.
He's actually very strict with his dad. What I've heard is खाना बंद कर देते हो आप उनका, जिम भेज देते हो, चलो योगा करो, brothers में सब बताया था.
How do you know?
Because he told me this. अच्छा, another thing, just before we go, that kick that just missed Nidhi, yaar. How was that a one-shot kick? We were thinking about it.
That's a one shot, yeah.
What if you'd missed? Bichari first film.
She's a great actress and she trusts her co-actors. So
That's true. I
You know,
trust
she-
Tiger completely.
But there's a lot of trust because if you had been half an inch lower, it was gone. Anyway, moving ahead. Any other questions? Yeah.
हाय निधि, दिस इज
On the left here.
निधि, मैं जानना चाहूंगा कि टाइगर बहुत अच्छे डांसर हैं, तो कभी ऐसा मुश्किल पेश आते है कि उनसे स्टेप मैच करना, कभी इस बार में
बहुत
कुछ
मुश्किल है. हाँ, बहुत मुश्किल है उस एनर्जी के साथ में, बिकॉज अगर हम नॉर्मल लोगों को जंप करना है तो हम कर लेते हैं, बट टाइगर जब जंप करता है तो वो एकदम ऊपर तक पहुंच जाता है. तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बट आई हैव ट्राइड. दैट्स इट.
टाइगर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
जी मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि शी इज़ अ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग गर्ल एंड जैसे आपने देखा अभी आई थिंक शी वाज मैचिंग मी स्टेप फॉर स्टेप. सो हैट्स ऑफ टू निधि. दिस इज़ हर फर्स्ट सॉन्ग ऑन स्क्रीन. सो सुपर परफॉर्मेंस एज अ डेब्यू आई से.
टाइगर एक और सवाल है कि आप बहुत अच्छे डांसर हैं, सब जानते हैं, बहुत अच्छा एक्शन भी करते हैं जो पर्दे पर दिखता भी है. कहीं आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसा कोई एप्रीहेंशन है आपके मन में कि आगे जाके आप टाइप कास्ट हो जाएंगे, एक पर्टिकुलर तरह के डांसर और एक्शन मोड में ही आपको उस तरह के किरदार मिलेंगे बार बार, ऐसा?
आई थिंक सर अभी तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया है, तो कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, नो पन इंटेंडेड फॉर बागी, बट जस्ट सो अर्ली ऑन इन माई करियर थोड़ा बहुत रिकग्निशन मिल रहा है मुझे किसी भी चीज़ के लिए. आई थिंक फॉर मी दैट्स अ बिग अचीवमेंट. आगे देखेंगे अगर कोई अलग किरदार निभाना पड़ेगा तो आई एम अप फॉर द चैलेंज. सो या, थैंक यू.
I have to tell you something, Tiger, when we go for these press shows, when we watch the films, yeah? So everyone's having samosa and watching the film and then figuring out, okay, theek hai, pasand. Do you know something? Everyone says, itna acha ladka hai, yaar. So you feel very, they feel, nahi, isko, ye thoda leeway. So, you're very lucky because it's cheating like that. Everyone really loves you. And I've seen this in press screenings. I've seen it with children out there. They just have this great loving, sort of feel for you. And that's the reason why you'll get extra 2 stars for every film.
I got lucky, thanks. Yeah.
Brilliant.
टाइगर, हाय, मेरा नाम रुपेश है. आपसे सवाल यह है कि आपको लगता है कि आपकी डांसिंग की वजह से जो आपके को स्टार है, जो दूसरे स्टार है, उनके लिए भी दिक्कत हो गई है क्योंकि आपने डांसिंग का लेवल बढ़ा दिया है?
No, I think एक टीम एफर्ट है, और एक अगर कोई भी एक अगर प्लेयर अच्छा खेलता है टीम पे तो अपने आप वो टीम का भी परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ जाती है. जैसे कि अभी नवाज सर जब होते मेरे सामने, जब हम सीन शूट कर रहे, तो मैं तो घंटा कुछ हूँ उनके सामने, पर वो उनके वजह से मेरा भी परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर आ जाती है सर. तो that's the truth.
Tiger, one question for you.
Yes, sir.
Tiger, all 3 of your movies, Heropanti, Bagi, and...
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. I was saying all 3 movies of yours have come, were directed by Sabir Khan only. So do you think you won't be comfortable with other directors after this if you work with any other director in future?
No, I'm most comfortable with Sabir, sir. I mean, he's basically taught me ABCs of whatever little I know. So I'm very thankful for him. And
I think he's going to be a delight for any director the amount of hard work he puts in, and the way he becomes the character. I think he's going to be a delight for any director in the country to be.
But yeah, answering your question, thank you, sir. I'm totally open to working with a lot of people, but I got lucky that, you know, I got 3 chances to work with one of my favorite directors.
Tiger, you will be working with Disha Patni in Baghi 2.
Yes.
And you worked with her in a music video, which
That's
was a
right.
hit. So how excited are you to co-star with her and having known her personally as well?
I'm very excited. I mean, I've known her for a while now, ever since, before Baghi also. And we get along great. We have a great camaraderie. And, you know, I think it's just going to be fun, very natural being on screen with her. Yeah.
Is that it? All right, guys, thanks. We'll just do some photo ops and
Thank you.
now it's over to, so I'll take that. To the, no, music nahi. Over to the photographers who will now decide. So, pehle kya? Pehle 4 ek saath, sir, we'll take 4 at one go. And actually stay back. Yeah. Okay, so first we'll do straight up.
I'm planning for this one. I'm planning for the remake of Ding Dang. Sir, can I shake a leg with you, sir? One step, sir,
Yeah,
please.
yeah, of course, of course.
Dance performance. Dance performance.